Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, October the 6th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular Sudokus or puzzles. The first one is a binary, we have a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. So three regular Sudokus, but we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, and I believe there are six extra Sudokus. Six. Let me show you. Six extra. First one, letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So total of 6 extra Sudokus, but I will not do them all. Only half of them I will solve, so 3 of them I will solve. And also these 3 regular Sudokus. So it's again too much for me. Too much. Alright. First one I will solve is a binary puzzle. Yes, boys and girls. Binary puzzle number 3496. Alright, what the kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And double one, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. One, two, three, 4. 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be in 1. Okay. Should be in 1. And now we have double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Yeah. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is number 5. Now we have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright, without any comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. A medium Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.